Welcome back our next video. Today we are discussing the chapter 7 jugs and mugs. The topics are express in liter and milliliter and some word problems. Okay, we can start the class. So express in liter. First question is express. First topic is express in liter. The question is coming, it's milliliter. First question is 9000 milliliter. So we already know, the last video we learned 1 liter equals how many milliliter? Yes, that is 1000 milliliter. So here 9000 milliliter is there. So how much liters are there? Yeah, 9 liter. So how we can express in liter? It's 9000 milliliter means it's 9 liter. Here in the second question, 2500 milliliter. So 2000 milliliter means it's 2 liter. So 500 milliliter, how we can express in 500 milliliter? The first video we already discussed how we can express. Yeah, 1/2 of, or we can say it of liter. Okay, so 2.5 liter. Clear? And the third question, 8750 milliliter. So 8000, how we can express? That is 8 liter. Then 750 milliliter, that is 3/4 liter. Okay. Then we are moving to the fourth question, 5250 milliliter. So 5000 we can express 5 liter, 250 milliliter, that is 1/4 liter. So total is 1/4 liter. Do this question as a homework. One more question. 3250 milliliter, then 9750 milliliter. So do these 3 questions as homework. Okay, do these 3 questions as a homework. Clear? I think have you clear this? You can express 9000 milliliters. We know already, we know 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So here we can divide. How we can express milliliter to liter? Milliliter to liter, just number of milliliter divided by 1000. We can convert that 9000 milliliter into liter. We already learned in the 3rd standard also. If you have any doubt, you can take that previous worksheet, then learn it. Okay. So we are moving to the next section. Express in liter and milliliter. Express in liter and milliliter. First question, 7890 milliliter. 7890. So 750 we can say is 3/4 liter, right? So here 890 we don't know how we can express. So we can express that is liter and milliliter. So how we can write 7 liter, how much milliliter is left? 890 milliliter. Clear? Here how we can express? It's 4100. It's 4000 means 4 liter. So 4 liter, then 100 milliliter. Here 1080. 1000 means that is 1 liter. 1 liter. Then the balance number is 80 milliliter only. So 80 milliliter. Clear? So do these, choose our homework. Okay. So now we are going to move the word problem. First question, if the question is there in the textbook, take the page number 78, practice time. So, Amina's water bottle hold 1 liter of water. Okay, Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 milliliter of water and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left in her bottle? Okay, so this is coming milliliter, like that, holds 1 liter. Liter means it's a capacity or quantity, we can say. So don't write any statement is like number of. Clear? This is coming, its bottle hold 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water. Number of water, we can't say it like that. So how we can? Quantity of water Amina's bottle hold. Okay, how we can write? Quantity of water Amina's bottle hold. It's 1 liter. Okay. Then she drank 250 milliliter of water. So quantity of water Amina drank. Amina drank, it's how much quantity? That is 250 milliliter. Okay. And her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. Quantity of water Govind drank, that is 150 milliliter. What is the question in this? Here, what is the question? We want to find how much water is left in her bottle. So, what is the question? We want to find how much water is left with her bottle. So, how we can write quantity of water left with Amina's bottle? Okay. Quantity of water left with Amina's bottle. So 1 liter, it's already give a total, its capacity of water in Amina's bottle is 1 liter, that means 1000 milliliter, right? So 1000 milliliter minus, so quantity of water Amina's drank and quantity of water Govind drank. These numbers together add it, then subtract from capacity of the water in the water in Amina's bottle. Okay. So 1000 minus 250 milliliter plus 150 milliliter. Okay. So do this into a working column. First of all, add the numbers together, 250 plus 150. So where we can start the addition? In the ones place number, what are the numbers in ones place? 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 0 write down and 1 is carry over. Okay. Then 1 plus 2, it's 3. 3 plus 1, it's 4. So 400. So what is the next step? So total quantity of the water in the bottle subtract from the total quantity of water that person's drunk. Okay, that means 1000 minus 400. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, again 0. 0 minus 4 we can't subtract. In this case we borrow from the next number. The 1 becomes 0 and that 0 became 10. Okay, 10 minus 4, answer 6. So, how much water is left with Amina? It's 600 milliliter. So, how much the quantity of water is left with Amina? It's 600 milliliter. Clear? You can discuss one more time. Amina's water bottle hold 1 liter of water. She drank 250 milliliter of water and her friend Govind drank 150 milliliter. How much water is left with her bottle? So, we can write capacity of water Amina's bottle hold, that is also correct. So, here I wrote quantity of water Amina's bottle hold, that means 1 liter. Quantity of water Amina drank, that is 250. Then quantity of water Govind drank, that is 150 milliliter. So, the question is how much water is left with her bottle. So, that is quantity of water left Amina's bottle. That means how much water is there in the bottle minus how much water that persons are drunk. Then after that you will get left amount of that water. Then 1000 milliliter minus 250 plus 150 milliliter. So, 250 milliliter plus 150 milliliter, after the addition you will get 200 milliliter. So, 1000 milliliter minus, here you can write one more step, 1000 milliliter minus, it's 400 milliliter. Okay. Then you can write 600 milliliter. Clear? Okay, we are going to move the next question. So, next question. Yusuf runs a tea shop. Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he used 20 ml of milk, milliliter of milk. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 milliliter of milk. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? So, how we can write the first statement? Yeah, quantity of milk used for making 1 glass of tea. Okay, quantity of milk, used for making 1 glass of tea. So, how much milk he used for making 1 glass of tea? So, that is for making a glass of tea he uses 20 ml, 20 milliliter. Okay. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. So, number of glasses of tea he made yesterday. Number of glasses of tea he make yesterday. So yesterday he made it. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. Number of glasses of milk he made yesterday, that is 100 glasses. Okay. So the question is, how much milk did he use? So quantity of milk he used. We can write it. Quantity of milk used for making 100 glasses of tea. 100 glasses of tea is equal to, so 100 multiplied by 20. So we already know, we already studied this, how we can multiply the 100 with the 20. So first of all, add this number, multiply. So we already learned how we can multiply 100 multiplied by 20. Just multiply these numbers together. 1 2s are 2. Then how much 0 is left? With that much of 0 we put after that. Okay. So how much milk you use for making 100 glasses of tea? It's 2000 milliliter. So how we can express in liter? 2000 milliliter means that is 2 liter. Okay, 2 liter of milk he used for making 100 glasses of tea. Clear? So I think have you all understood this? Okay, one more question is there in the textbook, third one. Do as a homework. So we can see in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.